Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So I want to make a quick video update for Cardano ADA against BTC. Alright, so this is the coin that I have said, I think it was, the video was on February 21st, becoming oversold. So I think it was Wednesday. It was trading pretty low. It was coming to that support level, and in my email subscription to my email subscriber, I called it out that there's a potential trade here. It's becoming oversold, and there's a couple of strategies that we can implement at this point. And I basically, in that email subscription, I gave out the entry points, exit points, and the stop losses. And what are the strategies that a couple of different strategies that we want to look into based on your risk tolerance. All right. So in that, we called this one out. It was very much oversold at that point. I also created that video, and now we got this nice bounce right at that, exactly at that touch that first target point, which was 3597. So that's right on the first target. So I just got an email from one of my subscribers. She took that first target profit on it, and I'm so happy that she took that profit on that. So well done. So this is how we trade. You don't want to be just waiting on it and then just trying to hit that moonshot for every trade that you make. It will not happen. I'm sorry to break it to you, but you won't be able to hit moonshot, whatever that thing is called, for every trade that you make. What is possible is you can make a profit, you can make money on every trade if you do your proper risk management. If you get in at the right time, you know when to get in, when to get out, when to use your stop losses, when to add the position. So those are the things that if you learn properly, if you get with it, you will make money. It's just like learning a bicycle. You can't really, first few times you will fall, but you have to keep on trying again, and you'll get better and better and better. All right. So Cardano, it came to that first target point. It retraced right back, right at the retracement level, which is right at 3396. So if I go to the smaller time frame, so a lot of volume came in Cardano all of a sudden, which is kind of puzzling. It's like a Sunday afternoon, and a lot of volume is coming in. So it went to that first target point. My second target point is going to be that 4079 level. It's sometimes what it does, sometimes it doesn't quite hit those levels. It just comes underneath those levels and then retrace. So you want to be very, very mindful of those things, that it might not exactly hit those exact points. So what I do is, I put that target right underneath that levels. So in that case, I'm getting pretty my target point, I'm not missing out on the taking profit, but at the same time, I know that my order will get filled. Other thing that you can do is always put the stop losses once it becomes pretty close to those target point. Put those stop losses, put it at 3-4%, so you know that if it goes up, you can keep on moving those stop losses up, and if it hits that, if it hits your stop losses, you know that you already secured your profits. So that's another strategy that you can implement. So right now, let's look at the daily real quick. I always like to look at the daily. The bigger the time frame, it always trumps that smaller time frames. Okay, so always the bigger time frame trumps the smaller time frames. So here it's coming up against a resistance. I think the second level of resistance will also come around 3804. because that's the 20-day moving average, and I'm pretty sure that will act as a resistance. So the second resistance will come around 3804 in Cardano, and then the final the target point that I have for intermediate is going to be around 4061. Yeah, maybe underneath, a little bit underneath 4061, maybe 4025 or 4030. So that's for like intermediate, and then once we hit those target point, we want to reevaluate the position, reevaluate the graph, this chart, because as you know, like, this market is constantly changing, and it's like a very dynamic market. So whatever the call you're making here, it's not written in stone, right? Things can change tomorrow, things can change day after tomorrow. So you have to really be very adaptive to those changes. You have to be very agile in this market. So, and you might have to change your strategy based on that. So just because there is a strategy that you got into, it doesn't mean that it's done deal. You have to, if things change, then you might have to adapt that strategy, and you might have to adapt those, to that price action. So be mindful of those things. All right. So overall, I like Cardano. It's a good project. There is a team behind Cardano. I really do like Cardano team. They have some good people on their team. So it's still in downtrend. If you look at it, it's still in downtrend. You can still make money on if it's in downtrend. Like, when is this oversold condition that comes up at very good support level, you can put in those position, and then you can still make money. This was around 20% gain within 3-4 days, so which is not bad. All right, so so we need to get out of this downtrend right now, and once it gets out of this downtrend, I can easily see it going toward that, the higher target points, like around 4490, and then perhaps up to 5106. So those are the upper levels. It can happen fairly soon if the overall market condition improves, but for that we definitely need overall market condition to improve, some good news from Cardano itself. So like a lot of things have to go in order to make those target points. But for the short term, these are the resistance level, and for the longer term, those are the targets. That's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to have this quick update on Cardano. I know a lot of people have been asking about it, so this is the video for you, for all the Cardano lovers out there. I already sent out the updates to my email subscribers on it earlier, on the target points and all those things, because I called out on this trade to them few days ago. And now I'm also making this video for the YouTube subscribers and the viewers, so they can, if they're on this trade, they can manage it properly, and I hope it's making them some money right now. Okay, so that's all. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make this content every day. Please hit those notification and those bell icons, so you can get this videos right away when I upload them onto YouTube. If you think this is helpful, if you think you learned something, if you think this kind of trade is making you some money and you want me to keep on making it, then please give me a thumbs up, post a comment, give me your feedback. I would love to hear it from you guys, and I'm pretty active on the comments, so I will definitely have more one-on-one chat on those comments with you. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.